Welcome to Oakland! We're exploring Oakland across the bay from San Francisco. It's a city of culture and contrast. And today we're going to show you some things about Oakland that you may not have known about, so join us. Hey guys, welcome to Oakland.
Oakland!
Woo! We're exploring the bay. We're gonna get out on the water on this trip, and we're also gonna taste the diverse cuisine in this region. Let's go.
Join us.
Check it out. We start our tour of Oakland at Lake Merrit, also known as the Jewel of Oakland. We take in the views of the lake from the Lake Chalet Seafood Bar and Grill, one of Oakland's premier restaurants. It offers indoor and outdoor dining on the sparkling water with a delicious contemporary menu of seafood cuisine. We are at the Lake Chalet here in Oakland, and we're about to take you on one of the most unique experiences here on Lake Merrit, the gondola ride. Welcome to Dolce Vita! Right next to the Lake Chalet is Dolce Vita Gondola cruises, one of the most magical experiences we've had on the water in California. This Venetian boat was imported from Venice, Italy, and our guide and gondolier Angelino takes us for a ride around Lake Merrit. We pour a little Prosecco and enjoy America's oldest wildlife refuge, that is Lake Merrit. Lake Merrit is about 3.5 miles in circumference and attracts runners and walkers. Across the way, we notice the gardens of Lake Merrit. Another highlight of Oakland's skyline is the Cathedral of Christ the Light, the first cathedral built entirely in the 21st century. We are at the Oakland Museum of California here in Oakland, woo! And we are checking out the exhibits. It's First Fridays here. First Friday of the month, they do a really cool food truck scene outside and live music. We are checking out the food trucks here. We got Caribbean food, tacos, Indian food. Okay, this reminds me of the Ninja Turtles. You know how they live underground? This is one of my favorite surprises in Oakland. This is the garden here at the Oakland Museum. We're gonna see some really cool views. Welcome to the Kissel Hotel here in Oakland. This is a 10-minute walk from Lake Merrit in the Paramount Theater. We have a deluxe room here with a king-size bed. It's done in a Beaux Arts building, and I love the color scheme in here and just all of the details. I love how comfortable this room is and the seating area, that beautiful plushy green seating area right there. And now we're gonna go to a restaurant that's only a 1-minute walk away. It's called Calavera. Calavera is a lively restaurant that specializes in Oaxacan cuisine, and they have an agave wall. Look at this wall of tequila. Camarones tacos. So right here is the Caesar salad. Look at how beautiful this flan is. The caramel is covered in marigolds. The strawberries are perfectly marinated. It's perfectly creamy. We are at the Port of Oakland, the Brooklyn Basin area here in Oakland. You can see the docks behind me and all the boats. They did a lot of new construction here, so you can see the new apartments that they built. And we're gonna go kayaking, so join us. So we are out on the water here in Oakland. This area is actually considered an estuary, and I never thought in a million years I'd be kayaking here in Oakland, but this is gorgeous, and there's hardly anyone around, which is great. We pretty much have the complete freedom of the ocean. The Brooklyn Basin area of Oakland was once a bustling shipping hub and has since been reimagined to a waterfront recreation area.
We're at Jack London Square here in Oakland, and we're gonna show you around a little bit at the sites. Beautiful day, studded with canary palm trees.
So we are here on Water Street. This whole area is very walkable, very dog friendly, and we have views of the harbor. So right here is where you can take the ferry over to San Francisco. You can see it's shrouded in fog. Right there you can see the city. Ooh. We are headed into the Oakland Supply Co. Hey guys, we just went to Oaklandish and we got some really cool gifts from this region. Some art. We are here at Jack London Square, and right here is the Blue Angels. They're taking off, all in formation. Oh my goodness, how cool is this? It's Fleet Week here. It is mid-October, and this is the perfect place to watch this. You can see there's not a ton of spectators, but ooh, there they go. And if you like these views of the Blue Angels, smash that thumbs up button and subscribe down below. Here are the AT-ATs from Star Wars. Now we head to North Oakland to an area called Temescal, known for its diverse cuisine ranging from Italian, Ethiopian to Eritrean.
We're in the neighborhood of Temescal, and we're in Oakland, and we're gonna check out some unique, independent, and curated stores.
This is one of the oldest neighborhoods in Oakland. We got vegan food and Burma bites. Hey guys, welcome to Oakland. We are checking out Temescal Street. We even found an Eritrean restaurant. How cool. And also, look at the street art, paying homage to the warriors. Welcome to Temescal Brewing. We just got a Kiwi, which is a limited release tropical IPA. Cheers.
The hops are grown in New Zealand.
After exploring Oakland's urban scene, we drive 10 minutes north into the hills, which feels like a world away. This is the East Bay Skyline National Recreational Trail. So we are on Skyline Boulevard here in Oakland, and look at this view. You can see the entire Bay Area shrouded in clouds. You can see all the boats coming through, and we made it here right at sunset, so you can see all of the lights kind of twinkling. We are at Burma Superstar here at the Temescal area of Oakland, trying the tea leaf salad. It is the best flavor combination. We are on top of a volcano. This is the Sibley Volcanic Regional Preserve, and there are so many cool trails here. We are hiking through the Sibley area right off of Skyline Ridge here in Oakland in the hills. And look at this beautiful nature preserve. I mean, you can bring your dogs here off leash, and there's a number of trails. I'm just gonna go where the road takes us. So this right here is the volcano. So we are here on the skyline, and we're learning about the volcanic origins of this region. And 10 million years ago, they had volcanic eruptions right here.
Who knew?
Isn't that crazy? We're in
All
Oakland.
in a day's hike.
It is so special to have a nature preserve like this just 10 minutes from downtown. Look at these stunning nature views. You never would have thought to get this much geology up here and historical geology. And Oakland is named after the oak trees. So we're passing by a number of different types of trees. You can hear the birds calling, all different kinds of birds in here. The views from this ridgeline road are incredible. You can see Lake Merrit right there, and then you can see the downtown right there as well. And then you can see the fog, of course. So while it's foggy on that side, it's nice and sunny here. We are here at the Reinhardt Redwood Regional Park now. Let's go explore. We are in the Reinhardt Trail and we reached the redwoods. Look how tall. By the way, guys, if you are liking this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more travels. We got the rice plate at Pomela, really cool Middle Eastern cafe. We just went to this really cool Mediterranean spot called Pomelo, and we're walking around Piedmont Ave, and they have some really cute cafes here. It's very picturesque. A lot of vintage shopping here. Okay, John. Rare plants. We're still on Piedmont Ave and we just got some vintage books. And we're gonna go check out Fenton's Creamery, which is where they invented Rocky Road. While the Rocky Road sounds enticing, we decided to opt for an ultra matcha dessert instead. We got the ultra matcha from Mr. Dewey's, and this is made out of cashew cream. It's like they knew I was coming. Matcha is like bright green. And with that, we hope that you get a chance to visit Oakland very soon. Links to all the places we mentioned in this vlog down in the description. And like and subscribe for more travel videos.